how to fix air speaker not working on iPhone after update. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like air speaker not working on your iPhone after an update. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to tap on this accessibility option. Okay, so from this section you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option audio and visual. Okay, so from this section you'll have to scroll down and turn on this feature add voice isolation. So simply you have to turn on this. Alright, so simply after there you'll have to back from here and you have to open the sound and haptic. So simply tap on this sound and haptic. Okay, so now from the section you'll have to turn off this change with button option, and after 3 seconds you'll have to turn on this again. Okay, so after you turn on this from here, you'll have to just back from here and you have to check for the blockage for your iPhone. So for that you'll have to ensure nothing is blocking the air speaker, such as your screen protector or phone case. And after you done this, and if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just reset your iPhone. So for that you'll have to swipe up and go the option general. Okay, so from the general section you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option transfer or reset iPhone. Alright, so simply from here tap on reset. Okay, so from here tap on reset all settings. Alright, so after you tap on that option you'll be able to fix that problem like air speaker not working on your iPhone after an update. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.